Hi, I'm Sharon Turton, and people often ask me, what is the Journey for Kids? Well, the Journey for Kids is a one-day workshop for 5 to 11-year-olds where they get to experience their own inner potential and let it shine on all areas of their lives. Academic, social, creative, sportive, and feel good about themselves. Kids learn how to deal with emotions healthily and release emotional blocks and limiting beliefs that can hold them back in life. The Journey for Kids counteracts the process of shutdown and withdrawal that can happen in the face of everyday experiences such as bullying, peer pressure, sibling rivalry, loss, failure, fears of all kinds, parental separation, and the emotional causes of physical illnesses. Kids love the Journey for Kids. It is fun and it is highly supported with trainers who are experienced. In fact, one trainer for every 2 to 3 kids. The next Journey for Kids Day in Sydney is on the 8th of May and in Brisbane on the 15th of May. And the day before, both days on the Saturdays, I will be running a special day for parents, teachers and carers where you will gain the tools to deal effectively with emotional outbursts, with behavioural issues, so that you can have the relationship with your kids that you really want. So contact me at info@sharonturton.com and I can answer any of your questions, or we can set up a time to chat. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.